everyone, today I'm going to draw a baby chick like this. First I'm going to use a black marker. I'm going to start by drawing chicky's eyes. We are going to draw two circles next each other. Like this. And then I'm going to draw another smaller circles inside in top right corner. And now I'm going to draw even smaller circles down in the bottom left. Like this. And now it's time to color in a big circle. But don't forget, leave these two little circles white. Now I'm going to draw a beak. First I'm going to draw a V shape. It's going to be the bottom of the beak. And I drew it right between the eyes. And now I'm going to connect the top with a little curve. Like this. And now it's time to draw his hair, and it's going to be 3 little loops like this. It's time to draw his head. It's going to be a big circle who goes around and back over to the other side. And then we are going to draw his body. And I'm just going to draw a little U shape underneath. Like this. And now it's time to draw his little wings. One little U shape here and another little U shape over here. And now we are going to draw his little feet. Like this. Now our chick is done. We are going to color in. You can use any colors you want. I'm going to use marker, yellow marker. You can use watercolor or even paint, no matter what. You can use acrylic too. I like to use marker. And now I'm going to use orange marker for the beak. And for his feet. Now our chick is done. Look how cute it is. You can match the color we did, or you can use any colors you want. Hope you like it. Goodbye.